For you.
Ah, Sid, you shouldn't have.
Very funny, Shane. They're for Penny, as a surprise.
Oh, is it her birthday?
No. I got them just because...
Ah, Sid, you big softy.
Ahem. Anyway, the florist delivered them too early. I don't want Penny to see them before this afternoon. Could you look after them for me until then?
Sure, no problem. I'll keep them hidden in the kitchen just in case she pops in.
Ah, thanks, Shane. See you later.
Oh, sorry. Ha! Here's that veg you ordered, Shane.
Sizzling saucepans. Did I order all that?
No, not quite. But if I didn't pick them, Millie would have eaten the lot.
Wow, those vegetables look as colourful as the flowers. But tastier.
Millie agrees with you.
Wow. Have we decided?
Vegetable chilli with onion, fennel, courgettes, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, garlic, fresh chilli, cumin and fresh coriander.
Ooh, that is a very long list. Don't forget the tomatoes and red kidney beans. Let's get cooking!
It smells and looks delicious. But what are we going to do with the rest of the vegetables?
I'm not sure, but I'm certainly not going to waste them.
Here he is, Shane the Chef.
Join us for a meal delight. Here at Fresh with us tonight. Test your taste buds to see if they're right. Here at Fresh with us tonight. Wonky or straight, which tastes the best? You might be surprised when you take our test. Come along for real food delight. Here at Fresh tonight.
Ooh, come on, Mama Polenta.
OK, I'm sure I'll be able to taste the difference, no problem.
Right, you guys. First, you need to scrub all the vegetables, the straight ones and the wonky ones.
Bye-bye, Caratosaurus.
And turnip octopus.
And potato heart.
Then, while they're roasting, we'll make a herby dip to go with them.
Sounds delicious.
What are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. There we go. Job done.
I hope this works.
Good evening, everyone. First, you all have to wear these.
This is exciting.
Reminds me of the time when I was marched to a secret Inca temple in the middle of the jungle. I was blindfolded for 12 days and 12 nights.
Everyone ready?
Oh,
No peeking now.
I can't see a thing.
OK, Shane.
Here we go.
Right. Who's first? Here he is, Shane the Chef.
Fantastic.
Wow, not bad.
That was actually good. It wasn't perfect, but it was fun.
You don't have to be perfect if you're having a good time.
And when the band get here, we'll definitely have a good time.
Oh, yes.
But where's Shane with the coconuts?
Did someone say coconuts?
Ooh.
Check this out.
Wow. Is that one of those what's-it nuts?
Cocoa nuts.
And it's got water in it.
Are you sure?
Yep, try this.
Thanks, Shane.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Tastes delicious.
A nut you can drink. I did not expect that.
And that's not its only surprise. This is the coconut meat.
It doesn't look like meat.
Well, it isn't really meat. People just call it meat. Oh, yum. But I just call it tasty.
If you say so, Shane.
Right. Come on, Izzy. Let's get the food prepared. I can make coconut milk with this, and with this rice, chicken, tomatoes and spinach, we have everything we need. Come on, Izzy. Let's get cooking. There you go, job done. Coconut Calypso chicken. Thanks for the help, Izzy.
No problem, Dad.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Aha! Here it is. Buonissimo! Mario! Oh, where is that boy?
25, 26.
There you are, Mario.
27.
Whoa! Ow! Mom, I was about to break my Keepy records.
That can wait, Mario. I need you to take this recipe over to Shane right now. It's for your Nonna's famous Aubergine Parmigiana.
Can't you do it? It's only over there.
No, I can't. I'm right in the middle of stock taking, and I'm asking you. Now go. Shane is waiting.
Okay.
Quickly now, and no messing with that ball until this is safely in Shane's hands.
Yeah, I get a go. Finally. 1, 2. I almost got 3.
You're doing it all wrong. Let me show you.
But your mum told you not to mess with the ball.
I'm not messing. I'm showing you how to do it properly. 1, 2. Oh, the recipe! Mamma mia! We've got to get that recipe back. There it is! I've got it! No, I don't.
Oh dear.
Almost.
Ow.
Jay, that's yours!
Oh no.
Catch it!
Hey!
Jay, get it!
What the? Ah! Get it off! Get it off! Ah!
Sorry.
Well, I guess.
Oh no!
Catch it! Get it! Here you go, Izzy.
Hey!
Over there.
Bye!
Come on!
Yes!
No.
Tickle my trawler.
The recipe.
Oh no.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Hi, honey. Do you want to be in my film?
Film, eh? Cool, why not?
Okay, just let me get you in the picture. That's it. Now, just say something about yourself. Action.
Hi, I'm Honey. I love listening to my favourite band, the Malignant Wailers. Listen!
Yeah. Some of that will work.
I've got some film clips of my family. You can use them in your film if you like. There's a brilliant one of Dad falling over a chair. Look!
And I'll be first in the queue. See you after band practice. Oops.
And check this one out. It's Mum chasing the donkey.
Coming through, Sid. Donkey, slow down.
And here's Jay with one of his fun facts.
There are hundreds of seeds on every strawberry. So that means hundreds of plants and thousands of strawberries.
And I think this one might be my favourite. It's Baby B.
Sid?
Classic.
Thanks, honey. I can definitely use that.
Hello?
You're right, Shane. It's Maggie. I'm calling to let you know that my broccoli is finally ready.
Ah, that's brilliant news, Maggie. I'll be right over.
All right, Shane. See you soon. Oh, hey, Izzy. What are you doing here?
I'm making a film about me and everyone in Munchington. Can I film you, please?
Yeah. I'm not sure I'm very interesting, though.
You'll be great.
Oh, okay then. Welcome to my farm, where I grow crops for Munchington and your dad.
That's perfect. I can put those together with action shots of you. Look.
Easy now. Maggie's great. She's always there to help out. This way, Shane! And she drives this tuk-tuk, which is awesome.
Oh, I'm not sure you've captured me at my best, but it is funny.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Right. So I've got anchovies, some cooked rice, tomatoes, and of course, red peppers. So let's get cooking. There we go, back of the oven.
Ahoy there, Shane. Chores done. Everything's shipshape.
Oh, brilliant.
Dad, we're back.
Wow. Well, you two look like you had fun.
We did. Your idea of a girls' day out was brilliant.
Something smells good.
Roasted red peppers.
Well, we hadn't had them for a while. And as I was going to be looking after the farm...
How did that go? Any problems? Shane was just telling us. No problems at all. Right, Shane?
Yeah, no problems. Tell you what, roasted red peppers coming right up. So, Izzy, what do you think?
They're really good, Dad. Almost as good as Mum's. I bought this to say thank you.
Ah, thank you. That's lovely, Izzy. She's quite a girl, our Izzy. You'd be so proud.